So, friends, let me spend some time on Pigouvian taxes. We will take some examples of the Pigouvian taxes which are found in world. As I said, Pigouvian taxes, they are named after the economist Arthur Pigou, and they basically are designed to correct the market inefficiencies caused by negative externalities. So, we have taken some examples of negative externalities, the most famous one being the pollution or environmental degradation. So, what he says is that those negative externalities results in an inefficient market outcome, and if you want to still get an efficient market outcome, then we need to internalize the social cost of these externalities by taxing them. So here are some examples of the Pigouvian taxes. The most famous tax, okay, which has been tried out, is the carbon tax. Carbon tax is a tax which is based on or imposed on the carbon content of fossil fuels. And you know that fossil fuels like coal, oil, natural gas, they when burned, they would emit a substantial amount of carbon dioxide, right? And the amount of carbon dioxide they generate would depend upon the carbon content in it. So by putting a price on carbon emissions, the carbon tax, in a way, incentivizes the individuals and the businesses to reduce their carbon footprint. Okay, so if a carbon tax is levied, it is expected that the individuals and businesses, they would shift to a more cleaner energy source, a renewable energy source, or they might improve their energy efficiency, or they might also invest in some emission reduction technology. So this is a carbon tax. Carbon tax is a Pigouvian tax. Another example of Pigouvian tax could be a congestion tax. What happens is, you know that in certain areas, urban areas, we find heavy traffic congestion, and that traffic congestion is found especially during the peak hours. So the government may impose a congestion charges on vehicles entering certain zones or entering a particular area during a particular peak hour, right? So the aim obviously is to reduce the traffic congestion and thereby reduce the externalities, negative externalities because of traffic congestion. So when there is a reduction in traffic congestion, there would be reduction in air pollution, there would be reduction in the greenhouse gas emissions, right? So all this should result in a better outcome. So by congestion charges and carbon taxes, which are the two examples of Pigouvian taxes, one might think of the system moving towards more efficient outcome, right? Thank you.